So welcome students. So in this question you're given that f of x is a second degree polynomial and f of 1 is equal to f of minus 1 and a, b, c are in AP. If that is so, f dash of a, f dash of b, f dash of c are in what? AP, GP, HP and AGP. So let us try to analyze this question. What is the first given information? F of x is a second degree polynomial. So let us assume f of x as some px square plus qx plus r. So I don't want to use ABC because ABC are given in the question as something else. I don't want to use them as coefficients. So f of x is px square plus qx plus r. Now let's go to the second information. F of 1 is equal to f of minus 1. That is p times 1 plus q times 1 plus r is equal to. So what is f of minus 1? P minus q plus r. So this p r gets cancelled. This implies 2q is equal to 0. This implies q should be equal to 0. So if in a quadratic f of 1 is equal to f of minus 1 implies the x coefficient is equal to 0. This implies f of x will be of the form px square plus r, right? Now what is f dash of x? F dash of x is nothing but 2p times x. So now if a, b, c are in AP, what is f dash of a, f dash of b, f dash of c, f dash of a, f dash of b, f dash of c are nothing but 2pa, 2pb and 2pc, right? 2pa, 2pb and 2pc. And you can see that 2p is a constant. Hence if a, b, c are in AP, obviously 2pa, 2pb, 2pc are also in AP. So that's the answer to this question. Thank you.